Alright, so today we're out in the Crown Victoria. Let's see. Actually see another Crown Vic right there. Let me know what you guys think. They got the, it's white. They got the lights on it. Got the wheels. Got the all black tail lights. At first I thought that was a Interceptor model, but then I seen the keypad on the door, then it has the wheels on it, so I think just all that black makes it looks like an Interceptor model. Go back to the drive of the Ford Crown Victoria. Take it for a drive. I do drive this car to work, so this really is my daily. This is my off day. It's my last video when I drove it to work. Check that one out. I've been checking out some car prices. You know, of course, like Ford, they don't make sedans anymore. I think Chevrolet, they don't make sedans anymore. So man, don't want a Kia, nope. But if you want something nice, you know, like V8 or something, you gonna spend some money. I think it's like 40 grand and on up to get some of the V8. Let me know if you guys see anything else. But yeah, car prices are still up there. You know, they don't make cars like they used to, because you can't even go buy a full-size sedan without spending an arm and a leg. And so to me, you know, the American car makers are letting other people take over, like Kia. So you see a lot of Kias on the road. If you try to go online and search for, you know, a brand new sedan at a low price, that's what it brings up. Kias and Hyundais. Now you pay all that money for cars and they don't last as long. So like this Crown Vic is an 03, so that's what, at least over 20 years old. Good luck with a modern car. Anything they make nowadays, too much technology, man. You know, this car is super basic. Everything is basic. That's all you need. But you have everything you actually need. And if you wanted to make some upgrades, so let's say like the auto start or push to start, whatever you want to call it. If you want to add that, you can add that without paying, you know, thousands of dollars. If you want to upgrade the entertainment, you know, maybe put your screen or whatever in there, you can do that, you know, a few $100. But nowadays, man, cars have so much technology. A lot of it to me is a waste. A lot of it is a waste. I mean, you got your mirrors. You don't need all the. I mean, a rear view camera, that's cool and all, but do you need a 360 camera? Not really. You know, a lot of the stuff they have on them cars is you just really don't need. Alrighty, back with the Crown Victoria. Got about 108,734 miles. Not too bad. Try to get y'all a glimpse of this Mercury Marauder I just seen when I come back around. I drive around here, check on my inventory. See how's it going. Don't like too many people out here working today. I know right now it is late in the afternoon. It's hot. I don't blame them. You don't come out here early, yeah. When they're knocking it out. All right, well, that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching the channel in today's video. I'll catch you on the next one.